Yeah. Ah. Oh! Oh! Okay. Listen. That sounds like a great plan. But oh man, that's a bad idea. I need to change my picture. I'm gonna You're about to go to sleep? Well, that sucks for you because I'm doing this now. Um Hey, a Mario guy, what's up? What's the goal of this stream? We're going to clean up the 3 PRs I made to move up some of ReactOS's components to the Wine 9.8 and put the foundation in for our Windows 10 compatibility thing. Why is it? Hold on. My sound isn't working. I figured it out. That was awful. Okay, I don't like how that sounds, so we're gonna grab a second keyboard here. And we're not gonna use the very loud gaming keyboard. Okay. Woo! I should have prepped this before I started this. Nah. What's a little scuff, right? Okay. That's probably better. Yeah, so, what was I saying? Right, ReactOS's wine components. So, a long time ago, ReactOS has a bunch of components they grabbed from Wine, and we're updating those today. How much of ReactOS is Wine? Well, a lot. In fact, pretty much all of our user mode DLLs that don't deal with shell are Wine. And so, a lot of our application compatibility is directly influenced by Wine and our Win32K. So we can update all of these, and suddenly we're about 40% of the way to some Vista compatibility. But recently, Microsoft released the UCRT source code under MIT. So that's being imported at the same time. The result of this, as I have shown multiple times in Discord, but never on stream, is a very interesting side effect of all kinds of cool things. Let me pull them up. That would help. Blah, 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 blah. Well, they're really far up there because this started a long time ago. All kinds of things though. So, how do I, yeah, there it is. So, here's the latest Godot. Here's Windows 7 taskbar working on ROS. There's a bunch of stuff in here. It goes for a long time. It's a very big boost. That's the point of the story. The problem is that in order to achieve this import, we need to clean up a lot of things. And that's never happened before. I mean, we've never actually sat down and cleaned it up. So here we go. We're gonna do that. That's a good TLDR, right? Yeah. Okay. NT6 ReactOS. Cool. Here we go. Let's continue. All right. My last ditch effort into this, we'll have to start by changing the branch, as this is dealing with, hey Winter, dealing with some of the components that I don't want to deal with right now. So, thread pool, right? Look at this pretty PR. There's a couple problems with it. Just a few. A lot. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, let's start by the top. Okay. We'll try to clean this up a little bit. This is the NTDLL NTDLL side thread pooling functionality introduced in Vista that we're dealing with today. All right, here we go. So I put it in SDK RTL thread pool. Whoa. Yeah. Anyway, that's cool. So this is from Wine. Well, not exactly. Most of it's from Wine. It required a lot of ReactOS changes in order to make it work, like initializing them at runtime instead of static initialization. And yeah, that's pretty cool. Otherwise, there's this. This is a clusterfuck. This is bad, right? Bad. So we probably need to clean that up too. I don't know what he's talking about. I think I did this somewhere. He's right. I did. All right. That's better. Okay. Done. Resolved. 3525. That. Yay. 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 We have wine tests as well. We have to make sure those are correct. Yeah. We'll also have to build this. And then grab that. All right, and that. Okay, anyway. So, this thing is inside the modules. Wine tests. Probably 5 to 6. He wants an extra space. Yeah, that's what Surge asks for a lot. That's fine. If not def Windows 7, put a space by where it says Windows 7. Oh man, what a concept. This is actually, ReactOS is all like, this is kind of gets into the problem with us. Oh, that's bad. Yeah, so here's the problem. So, thread pooling requires some kernel functions, or kernel structures. And although we're ready to move those structures to the Vista style, 7 is a new cluster heck. And so, we're going to have to do that better slowly. Anyway, that's fun. That's good as is now. I'm not doing that, sorry. This is also another interesting thing. Surely this would show that the error value is not what's resulted. I know. But we're gonna, yeah. That's a good point. What did Timo say? Oh yeah, I remember. I did that already. Anyway. What does he want? End if, add another, why? Oh, yeah. Quiet keyboard. That's nice. Loader init's a good point. He's right. Anyway. Haha. Haha. There it is. Okay, he wants me to do this. That's fine, but that's right here. Let's do this instead. Haha, that's funny. Very funny. Okay, that's better. Right, so now, are you pairing PRs for master? That is exactly what I'm doing. This is all the Longhorn branch being shoved into master slowly. Yay. Alright. It's kind of funny that our NTDLL is kind of becoming this hybrid thing. Oh well. Oh, he wants sal notations. This is resolved. I also want to do the tests. So, let's rebuild this. That looks good. You know, also, fun fact, that the foundation we're doing here also lets us import the WinRT code from Wine, because the WineSync WinRT code is a C++, well, you know, obviously Wine does their C crap, but in theory the WinRT code is supposed to be a C++ wrapper over. Oh, this functionality. Whoa, yay! Oh, I just got added. What's up? Paste clean. Who is bothering me? The aunt. Oh no. Oh no. Actually, I don't want that. Okay, so yeah, what was he doing? Right. So, hey Jeff Box. So, Hermes is declaring that I should probably include the old SRW definitions, and I'm inclined to agree. In fact, because the way I was doing this was stupid. Yeah. All right. So what does that mean? Right. So yeah, that happened, right? That is const, but the underlying data, so it's either const large integer or just p large integer. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. That, I don't know. Do I actually want to do it like this? That is a very good question. Because this PR is what actually introduces the usage of this functionality. And, oh, this part should be done separately by committing this PR first. Are you sure? Fine. Would Ross be more stable after this? No. Not really. This is not a brilliant idea, actually. We're doing it because we need to. There is some parts of it that will be more stable, but it is not... It sounds like it's very hot over there. No, it's pretty cold in here. Oh, that's what you mean. That will help. Alright, anyway. So, what? Yeah, anyway. So, moving the SRW things. This guy really wants me to pull in cell notations. I don't mind doing that. You think you heard ice and drinks? Yeah. I've got a giant thing of water because every time I do a stream like this, it hurts my throat a lot. So, yes. Okay, so I removed these. That's fine. But the other thing is that I also needed to do this. So we'll grab this. I don't mind. Get pull. Hmm. That's fine. Okay, well, whatever. I believe that there is something in here I needed to disable in order to compile it like this properly. And it was a little unfortunate. For one thing, this now has a different definition, and that's not good. So, NT6 API. So, critical section, P large integer. So in convar, we need to fix this. And fixing that will probably fix build too. Git commit amend. That's fine. That's good. If these are exported, they should be tagged. I probably am inclined to agree. Are these exported? Yes, they are. Isn't it NT6? Like that? I don't even remember. It's been too long. Is it not? May not be defined. Oh! Yeah. Yeah, duh. Hold on, I'm stupid. Needs to be in here. Alright, let's add them in. There's that one. We're gonna go inside DLL when sorry, probably NTDLL. There's that one. There's that one. Actually, I think they're all like this, if I recall correctly, but we'll check first. No? Oh, yeah, no. No. Not that. That one. That one. That is different, right? Yeah. No. Before conditional variable. Oh, that's gross. Duh. Oof. Yeah. Yeah. That needs a version check, doesn't it? Here, let's. I think it does. When NT 0x600. You could just say. Right? No, not that one. Not that one. Ah. Bup. And then bup. Right? Right? Yes. Because that's Vista. Is there a Discord for the Darkfire? There's a Longhorn Discord. And that I'm there. Yes. It's in the description. Anyway. Yeah. Yeah. Did it build? Or like, am I dumb? Like, really dumb. It looks good to me. I don't know. Whatever. Right? Whatever. Technically, these headers are important. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what it's trying to do. I started using this. I don't normally watch these live. I happen to sit down and you went to. That's awesome timing. Then it's funny. Wonder why. I'm kind of thinking that these are also going to be needed, but I have no idea. Yeah, I'm really thinking they are. Okay. Inconsistent DLL linkage. Definition of SDR. What the heck? There's two of them? Oh. There is two of them. Then why do I have these here? There's no point to those, then. Well, what the heck? I feel cheated now. What's the point of those? Well, gosh darn it. That's why you listen to warnings. Because those are important. That... Okay. Anyway. I actually don't understand why we bother to make the headers versioned. Like, it is... It seems like a little bit of an oversight to me. Whatever. They don't, you know, whatever. That should build now. Oh boy. I know I sound like I'm super sarcastic right now. I'm just tired. That's all it is, I promise. Look at all this stuff. This is getting rewritten. I'll leave it as is, but this is getting rewritten. This is important. This is super important. We'll have to do this soon. Well, I'm getting ahead of myself. Anyway. Where's... Did I delete it? Oh, great. Anyway. Move these SRW locations out. This should be done. This should be done. I should not have to touch that again. Let's re-request a review. Ahaha. Okay, we're done. Yay! Yay! Okay, so that's the first step to actually merging this PR. I don't know why that one was taking so long. I was too lazy, I guess. That should be clean now. I hope. This should also be clean. I don't really know what they want me to do here. This is important. This is actually like the start of everything. I kind of touch this thing a lot. And I don't think that's a great idea. Probably gonna have to ask for a review from Mark, because this is a lot. Anyway, that's a lot of code. Haha. You were using VMware Workstation Debug and VirtualBox in VMware. I don't think I've ever done that before. Ever, actually. I do use VMware. I have it on this thing. I have 12. I also have a workstation now. That's pretty cool. But yeah. Let's see. This depends on another. This depends on one PR. That depends on another one I can't deal with right now. This kind of goes along with the wine import. So the question is, do we want to start implementing those today? Or do we want to deal with all of these? I believe that the best option is to continue the cleanup of this thread pooling code, and then we'll go from there. But we might actually have to clean up this PR today. And instead of doing Windows 7, I kind of want to do Vista just to get it done. That should be possible. Right. Ah, yes, the DXG kernel interface. That definitely is pretty important. Whatever. Okay, let's watch the actions for this guy and go from there. I don't... It's taking so long to build. Okay, whatever. Alright, this is done. Okay, so with this done, now the question is... ooh, yeah, that's actually a valid point. Should we update this to Wine 9.8? I don't see why that wouldn't work, Foxy. It's probably right. Probably. Moving on. Hurry up! Oh, wait. Yeah, that was fine. I probably should have posted this in other spots. I'm just so lazy. Right? I'm just so lazy. Here. There you go. I can look at that. You can... Ahaha. Oh, what is that? That's good enough. Okay, so now we have some cleanup to do, because if I pull this, crap. That's kind of weird. Yeah, that makes sense. Uh-huh. There's nothing lazy about clean room reverse engineering Windows. You'd be surprised. You'd be surprised, actually. Anyway. Oh, yeah, fun fact. This PR implements all of these functions. There's more than I feel like counting. Okay. I believe that what I need to do... the other things you might do, like define the like... Maybe... I don't I don't think so. I don't think there's a point right now. He wants annotations. Annotations. Right. Actually, we can't do that then. He wants me to grab it from the API set. I don't mind doing that. I kind of want to leave this like wine has it. At least until we have some divergence. So I'm going to answer with that. Is it allowed to decompile Windows executables? That answer is complicated because we don't redo. Is like more often than not we'll have ooh, geez, I have to clear my output. What we're allowed to do is basically you can have one person look and then describe it and etc. So the person that's actually writing code isn't the one looking at it. Like the rule really more is that you can't copy and paste the code out of IDA. So while you can look at it, you can't use it for a code reference. I personally believe though that you shouldn't have to do that very often. It's not that you can't, it's that you shouldn't use it for code references, the official rule. But you can use it to figure out how something works, then make your own solution. Just cause. Oh, where'd it go? Anyway. What was I doing? Oh, yeah, I remember. Hi! Okay, so that's done. Test pool. Crap. Do I really want to do that? Probably. I should check to see if it has any changes. This probably should be removed. Not that I am gonna do that in this PR. Anyway, so what was the other thing, right? There's more, I think. I want to grab the wine test again. Grab NTDLL, grab test, grab thread pool. Edit with Notepad++. Let's just throw it in there and clean up this mess a little bit. And we'll move on. Pretty sure only that change is what's going to matter, but I want to keep everything consistent, so we'll throw it in here. Okay, there was actually a reason to do that. Funny. Very funny. Is it extension 3 or environment 3? It's environment 3. So it would look like that. And then end if that. If not defined as ReactOS. And that should be it. We'll grab... I don't think... Let's not do this entire test. And then just keep it really clean there. Yeah. That. So that's the latest version of the tests. That will let us actually test everything that we want to. So that's good. I really wanted to do that. That was really bothering me. Reduce diff more. Test bot, clean up a little bit more. I don't... That should actually be good. Wow, cool. I thought that was going to be more work. Neat. Okay. That is thread pooling, it looks like. So this PR is now in a sane state, which means when the other one is merged, this will get merged, and this provides the first thread pooling support. Yay. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's take a look at this. I'm gonna fire up an ISO and we'll see about how it works. So, oh, let me take these headphones off. It's not doing me any favors. Anyway, so thread pooling. There's a couple things that provide... Ooh, hang on. Not perfect yet. Probably SDK. $20.42. Hang on, there's a couple others I have to do. OVL. Yeah, the kernel 32 thread pool isn't great. Isn't that just including Winbase? It's right there. What's the deal? Is it LP overlapped? What's wrong, buddy? What's wrong? .h event. No. SDK. Here, let's make this a little bigger. $20.42. Oh. No. That is bad. That's not. Womp. Ignore some of this. Isn't it Winbase? Probably. What's the deal there, buddy? What are you? Right there. Overlapped. What the heck, man? Is it bound by something? I don't think it is. Doesn't look like it. What's the deal here, dude? If not defined as serial base, what are you including then? Include winbase.h. I have no idea what it's doing. Yeah, I have no clue. Like, that's really weird. Wait, it's not missing it. What does this mean? Hold on. Oops. That's not valid. Ah, wait. So we can just... Okay, I see what the problem is. Like, I'm dumb. Okay. Like that. Remove the weirdness. right? Yeah. Same thing with you. And then we'll say overlapped, is it 0 that would work? Or probably 0. I think it's 0. That's the valid one. Yeah, it is. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Okay. Little silly funky wonkies. All right, wine code. All right. All right, so as we were talking about, what we have to do is pretty simple. We're going to fire up an ISO here on cleanup. We're going to go to this, go to that, and we're going to run the wine test for thread pooling. We're going to make sure we're not getting any crashes before we move on. Now, we shouldn't, but I have to make sure that thread pooling isn't exported out of kernel 32. Stop. Because these friendly neighborhood functions are kind of brutal. And if there's just a stub, it's going to crash. Yeah, you're not supposed to do that, though. At all. You're not supposed to really, like, deal with the pseudocode. I have no idea what happened there. Okay. Get batch up. I believe that there is something wrong still. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, just don't copy and paste stuff out of it when you're good. Please. I believe that after the changes to thing might have a problem. I think What are you doing? Let's see. Wow. This code's always been kind of goofy. Yeah, I basically just initialized all of them by hand. Wump, wump. Do I watch an internet e-drama or the NT6 stream? Yeah, who knows, man? That's the real question. Man, the modern wine code base has gotten a lot better, though. I remember when it was like just super, super hodgepodge of different C crap, and now they're trying to make it more consistent, I guess. That sucks. Wump. I'll have to grab test discussion, break on all flags. There we go. Reload KP. So if I initialize these, I should be fine. That's interesting. That shouldn't happen twice. That shouldn't happen twice. That's bad. That's really bad. Wow, why is that happening twice? That's funny. That's funny. That's not good. Oh, that was a dumb spot. That was a dumb spot. Dumb, dumb, dumb. Wow. That. Oh, man. That wasn't smart. That wasn't smart at all. Okay. So. What the fuck? Probably India? No. There's no entry? I don't remember. I don't remember. Wow, I feel dumb now. Because that was not a good spot for that. I don't think, because, well, hang on. Actually, let's take a look again. Let's take a look-see. So the keyed event is interesting because last I checked, yeah. So stk lib create convar key event, assert that it's equal to null. Yeah, so let's assert that thread pool completion is equal to null. Make sure we're using this right. Because it might be per process. I don't actually know the answer to that. Oh, wait. Yeah. Duh. How do you... What should I compare against in here? Okay. Actually thinking about it, that's fine. I think it's per process. But man, that I feel like it wouldn't be. Let's look it up. It depends on how we're using these, I guess, too. Let's see this again. So many questions, so little answers. Truly. Right, if I grab this, it should be null. Okay, it is. But what isn't null is the fact that it's calling theme support. So the wait lock, the thread is null. Alloc wait, and then if it goes into the lock, wait lock, takes in weight. Weight lock, which is a struct. I don't know what this is trying to do. That's weird. Okay, so for each enter critical section of a bucket. This is for entry struct bucket Q. Wait, entry. So I think that this being null is a problem. And it... Yeah, okay. That makes sense. Here, let's... How many of these are there? Why did I remove them? That's the question. Was it because... I don't think that's right, actually. That hack was shit. That hack is shit. Let's see. You're doing it, you are debugging ReactOS code and Winnybug that is running in virtual. I don't know how to do that. It's just VirtualBox. Just connect it to VirtualBox through a pipe. I mean, you're gonna have to. That's just a standard debugging thing. The source code's here. I don't know what you mean. I'm sorry. Struct list pending timers. You know what? This is recursive, isn't it? And it is. So I see what the problem is now, I think. If it's less than maximum weight and it's add tail weight cute bucket, what are you struggling with exactly? I don't actually know. Here. Let's not do this. This is fine. Let's do that. Change it a little bit out. 312. It's the one I changed, isn't it? I don't know what I did there and why I did it. Good, no react still moving forward. Yeah, well, I hope we're moving forward, man. I'm tired of being on the same thing forever. It's nice to see we're trying. Well, I think we're doing pretty good actually, but still. Okay, thanks, Windy Bag. There we go. Better. Now, what did I change that caused this? That is a very valid question here. Yeah, there we go. So the bucket, sorry, the bucket here, 0. Tree list, never gets initialized. So what is that? From the buckets, from the wait cube, bucket equals null, list for entry, struct bucket entry. I guess it's going to iterate, and it will grab that. Because bucket should be alertable, or bucket should be, well, that's valid. If the bucket object count, well, hang on. What are you doing? Bucket, wait, cube bucket. Oh my god, VS Code, holy crap. Object count is 0. So if we're getting initialized, if we're gonna initialize this here, if object count is less than equal to, what are you doing? If object count, and then this should be initialized. Okay, actually, that's really gross. What is it doing? That's disgusting. Let's see what wine's doing. Yeah, so that's right. This should be pretty close, but also, wow. Count. So if that's a pointer, I need to know where it's getting this from, because that's unfortunate. That is really weird. It's equal to param. But this is never initialized to anything. This for each entry is supposed to do that. I see why it's getting angry. And it's fine. Makes sense. Because what that access violation is it's completely being 0, right? It's just null. And that bucket entry is a list that's null. So what I'm struggling to understand here I think I know why. And it's because that's kind of shit, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay. KP. Yeah, so if I did this, and then I did that, one of these is garbage. But which is it? Because that's funny. Oh my god. Exception dispatcher. What are you doing? Memory access error at object count, but not a memory access error here because the wait_queue bucket is pointing to 0. Okay. Why? Right? In theory... Oh, you know what? The wait queue buckets is probably what does that. So this bucket is supposed to be equal to wait queue bucket. And if we point that here, I bet what will happen is null. Right. So the wait queue is equal to initialization of a critical section. So if we go in here and we find where this code is initializing this, or wait, yeah, this shouldn't be null. Yeah, hang on. Where are you? I see the problem. It's because of the way ReactOS initializes critical sections. I think it's because it's different. Yeah, that makes sense. Oops. So this and spin count, EX. So the critical section, wait queue being initialized there. So it's pulling the global wait queue. The wait queue is up here somewhere. Wait queue, debug, wait queue. So there's timer queue, there's wait queue. So there's CS buckets and num buckets, and we're setting num buckets to 0. And I don't think that makes a whole lot of sense. So there's our dot buckets, list init buckets. This should return a function, should it not? So it's complaining about this because it thinks it has too many parameters, and it's because of the way this list works. So I don't really know what it wants me to do with this. So we're going to SDK this, and we're going to try to find what we're supposed. So this isn't even the first time that ReactOS has used this list entry thing. So that's fun. That should not be a problem then, because the struct list is cursor 1, cursor 2. If I zeroed this out, is it still gonna bitch at me? No. So what the fuck, right? I think that if it's at list, it's pointing to this. So it would have to be like that in order for it to work properly. But then my question is, why isn't list init working? Indereference of list, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. This would have to be head and list and list. So it would have to be this, the head and whatever, right? So stop. It would have to be next and priv. Right? Yeah, like next and priv. In order for it to work properly. But I don't see what the problem is. Use type. Yeah, it's not straight. Duh. So it'd be like this, probably. Is list plus plus. Ulong and yeah. Wait. Is not a constant. What is? I am so confused on what this deal is with this thing now. Because in theory, it shouldn't be angry about this. It's okay with 0, 0, right? But it's not okay with the list entry. That's goofy. I almost wonder if maybe it was fine before and I'm just stupid. Too many initializers. 3, 4, 6. So I really hate this, by the way. Just to be clear, I do not like this weird format. I'm sorry, I do not speak I see why it's not working now, at least. That's nice. The system keeps loading indefinitely, so there's actually a PR to fix that right now. You're gonna have to use... I don't think it's gonna go in today, but there's a PR to fix that. I think everyone's asleep. Womp, 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 womp. Because this is how it was like before. Oh, I see the problem. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Yeah. I know what the issue is, actually. I know what the issue is. This isn't how that works. Yeah. Jesus. Yeah, that makes sense. Actually. Uh-oh. 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 Yikes. Right? Can I just zero it out? Is that allowed? I think I can. I'm going to have to ask if that's okay with application verifier. I was so wrong. I am a silly man. A silly, silly man. So wrong. That is how it should be. Fuck. Okay, I screwed up. Oh man, I feel dumb now. Oh man, that was not smart. Wow. Oh man, that's not good. Like that, end if, and then we grab that, and then we grab that, right? Pending timers. It should be like this. Ooh, yikes. That, ooh, yeah, that's not good. That was really bad, actually. I really hope that's better because yeah, old thread pool. If def ReactOS. Wow, that makes me really sad, actually. That was not smart. Okay, that should be fixed now. Oh god, I have no idea why it worked before. Actually, that was not a smart piece of little programming right there. Oh, jeez. Using Legacy Phenom. It shouldn't matter, but there is a problem right now with boot up, and that's fine. Where is this? Isn't this the debug break I put in? Yeah, so let's see if we can remove that now. Hopefully. Probably fine. Yeah, probably fine. Look at that. Oh, look at that. That is so much better. That's so much faster. Oh, dark. That wasn't good. Yeah, don't do that. How do I not go crazy with so much code? I feel like I went crazy a long time ago. Honestly. Wow, look, thread pooling, but it works. Right? What a... Is this fixing a thread pool stream or fixing wine components stream? It's going to be fixing wine components in about 15 minutes, probably. If you can try to explain this in a much simpler way, please. What portion and what part of wine exactly is the OS has in it? So, okay, let me try. I'll try for you. So ReactOS has a kernel, and that kernel is all ReactOS's code. Okay? ReactOS also has a subsystem like Windows does, CSRSS. That's all ReactOS's code. ReactOS also has a Win32 subsystem like Windows does. So Win32k, GDI, User32, WinServe, and that starts to be a mix of Wine code and ReactOS code. So controls here is pretty much Wine, but MISC and the DD management is ReactOS. So above that, we also have NTDLL, which is pretty much all ReactOS code except for two components, now thread pool and some RTL management. Above that, we have the more user mode DLLs, which mix Wine and ReactOS code. So everything above Win32 subsystem is almost entirely Wine code. But we have our own code to put in. So Wine has a terrible, terrible shell, and it's because it's not really the goal of the project. But ReactOS has its own shell. And in fact, we write this shell in Win32 in C++. And this is all ReactOS code. And that's why our Explorer works a lot more like Windows does, because our Explorer is all ReactOS. So we, in user mode, so stuff above the kernel and Win32 subsystem, try to mix our code with Wine code, so ReactOS will have a better interface and more operating system components. But the raw APIs that apps need often are implemented by Wine. So it's about 60% of ReactOS is Wine, but 90% of that is all user mode. And so very little of what makes drivers work, or actually none of what makes drivers work, or the internal subsystem, or any of the basic UI elements are Wine, but all the APIs, a lot of them are Wine. That's kind of an oversimplification because there's exceptions to all of that, but that's the idea. So the important bit out of that is that when we update Wine to the latest Wine, we get all of the APIs that were added by Wine for compatibility with Vista Plus. And so our ability to run modern apps, it goes from 0 to essentially like 90% of the way there. And that's things like browsers or games or DirectX 12 even. Like DirectX 12 is all Wine, obviously. I hope that helps slightly. ROS test. I don't remember what it's called, honestly. Isn't it Wine tests? No. API tests? ROS tests. Oh God. ROS auto test. There we go. There we go. So app help cache control. Anyway, so the reason this all matters is because we're basically throwing ourselves into the Vista world by doing all of this. It's very, very, very important, actually. Wow, we have a lot of failures. That makes me kind of sad. We are missing a function. It's query dynamic time zone. That's interesting. And yeah, look at that. We're actually just straight up missing it. Cool. Awesome. Do we even have this? We totally do. But do we have this thing? NT query system information. Is it? I don't see this anywhere. I don't know why we're even using this, actually. What are you doing? That's, wow, that's exactly why. Okay. I was query pool stack information. That is interesting. Yeah, I probably should add this, to be honest. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to do that. So pointer, let's see. So thread pool TP. So here's TP WEX. So thread pool S. So set pool. Pointer set query There is a lot of functions added by this import. Holy crap. Pointer long, pointer. Okay, one more test. Bear with me. Can I just, like, I don't know, do this? No. Jesus Christ. Why not? It seems like such an oversight. Wow, that is dumb. Anyway, The reason we're stuck on thread pool is because that's the foundation to like every other import. So we got to make sure the tests run. It's funny because this doesn't actually work on. These tests aren't even going to be ran on ReactOS Autobots, but we kind of have to do them anyway, because I want it to be ready the moment we enable NT6 and master. Anyway, oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay. So many thread poolers. Didn't know what to do. Had all those bad feelings and schemes. Please, NTDLL, you're my only hope. Oh my god, it's so mad because of all the stupid functions that are just outright missing. Because I compiled as Vista. Oh my god, why am I doing this to myself? Why? Please, please don't hate me. Please, please. I'm gonna have to fix all of these, aren't I? Oh my god! Why is it so broken? Actually, I enabled telling me everything and I shouldn't have done that. I see the mistake I made. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. I just wanted to fix one small bug. I'm sorry. Okay, thread pool. Here we go. The good stuff. Whoa! I had no idea that was a thing. A read file. What file? Well, it worked. Fail to create pipe. Yep, that sounds about right. Okay, let's make sure that master is good. Some of those tests are actually NT6 tests, so we can't do much about that right now. But it should be good, probably. I'm gonna have to build on the test bots. build.reactos.org. Anyway, so we need all we have to do testing thread pool code refs head refs poll start build. Oh. I screwed up. Hang on. Oops. Testing thread pool code. It's refs head PR build. That's what it is. All right. I wasn't sure. Searching for builders, searching for builders. I gotta go find it actually. Well, I can't really use the test right now. That's fine. Okay, let's go to the next PR. Okay, so basically these two are done now. This should be done now. In fact, actually, let's just be sure. Let's clean it up really quick. Unification. Get everything out of here. And yeah, let's look at what the thing says. So, pretty simple here. We have some comments, not staging or, yeah, that's a good point. What is it, modules? No, it's media. Wine 4.8. That's 4.18. Just to clean it up a little bit, right? That's good. So that PR is done now and ready to go burr. It's 3 PRs cleaned up now. Let's do the next one. This is a hard one because I don't actually know if this is what I want to do. It's kind of important. Okay, let's give it a shot. Yes. Yes. So MS Core unlocks the ability to use modern.NET. Kinda. Not super modern. The regular modern.NET needs UCRT, but hey, what am I to know? So the way this works is pretty simple. We are going to sync MS-HTML to all these. The ultimate what date will update 0.5.0 arrive? Who knows at this point? I'm sure it'll be there eventually. Do you know the FEX EMU project? Yeah, we're not partners yet. When we get into ARM port, it's definitely discussion that will happen. The ultimate wine sync shuffle conducted across many years. Yeah, this is like a 2-decade-old problem, actually. And we're trying to clean it up. That's the goal. That's gonna be fun. Okay, so pretty simpy simp. we need a couple things here. Okay. Do I really want to sync MS-HTML? I don't know. This thing has 40,000 changes, and I honestly couldn't tell you what single one of them do. I synced it, and then I looked at it, and I'm like, this is the most awful thing I've ever seen. Like, it's sanity checking JavaScript, and I don't know. It's kind of gross, man. It's kind of gross. So yeah, you know. I don't know, man. That thing's gross. I vote we spend our time trying to fix OEL32 here, and then worry about MS-HTML after. We have WER as well. Just why? I think what it does is it integrates with Firefox's HTML renderer, right? Why did it get so big? Why did they add 20,000 lines to it? Whatever. I don't think it's worth it. Anyway, so what was I talking about? Yeah, let's make a backup of this. And we'll do it last, because I don't want to fix that at all. Get rebase. I don't know. I think there are some apps that actually depend on MS-HTML. I don't know. I don't know. It's weird. What the heck? Right? Alright. Okay, let's build it. Do I do that or nah? Wine didn't. Complaint array exceeds its bounds. Text bound overflow. Good enough. OLE. What am I doing? What is life? What is the point? What? Huh. Oh my gosh, that's right. That's right. Oh yeah, look at OELE32. It's abused. What? Anyway, the side effect of all this, remember, is it's super funny, so this will be fun. I don't know if we'll get to playing with it today, but we'll see. the error happening, man? Where? Tag prop villain. Ah! You is not a member of tag. What is this complaining about? Oh. Yeah, that makes sense actually. That kind of makes sense actually. Do 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 do. Why is it only these iNet comms? That's really odd. What DLL is this actually? That's kind of bizarre. It might have to get updated. iNet com. Well, would you look at that? It does. Internet. Okay, we'll do it. So we'll go ahead and we'll grab that. And then we'll go to the wine sync folder. And then we'll say inetcom.config. We'll grab that. We'll grab, I don't know, that. Probably not that. That. It's at wine 4.18. It's here. Directories. inetcom. DLLs. And that. But now we have to find the tests. Oh no. And the tests are in okay. Sync to wine 0.98. You know, that's funny because that DLL has a lot of things it does. I can't wait to see what horrible things come out of that. Also, I don't know what this DLL does. So I think we're gonna find that out the hard way. It is oh, look at that. It does nothing useful. Oh no, it does a lot of the useful things. Jesus. Okay. Where is inetcom? Oh my gosh. Yeah, good luck with that, doofus. Why does wine have problems building on GCC when it's built on GCC? That seems really stupid, but whatever. Directories. Oh no. It really likes that one. Put it back then. Okay, that's good enough. We figured out why image heads use. I don't. Yeah. No, honestly. Wine sync by the power of wine sync. Python wine sync. Choose inetcom, and then we're gonna grab oh, I don't know that yay. Oh, Okay. Okay. Oh no! I missed a colon! Kabam! Or, kabam! There we go. Oh no, I missed a colon. It's not good. Look at you go. Hunk that, hunk 7, hunk 8, hunk 9, hunk 10. Do all the things. Okay. That's weird. Also, it's still not doing it. Okay. Wine 8 you go. Actually, I don't... Whatever. Weird. Weird. Womp 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 womp. I don't know how far along in the update this is. Oh my god, it's actually pretty far. Yeah, that's wine 5.19. Okay. Oh, heck nah. Actually, this might be applied already. It is. It's because that's what we have to do anyway. Some of it is. That's good. Really nice. Was it 2? It's 2. Yay, we did it. 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 We did it. Yay. No, okay. Yay, we did it. I don't know what version of wine removes the tag prop variant. I probably should go check before I start syncing all this shit, but I'm kind of too late for that, bud. Oh well. Oh well, indeed. Hello, Raymond Aviliar. How's it going? We're updating the code base of ReactOS to 2024. Holy shit, it's 4 a.m., buddy. Go to bed. Go to bed. Okay. No way. No. Shooby-dooby-doo-bop. Whoa. Okay. Whatever. At some point, maybe we should look into what that thing is. But not today. Not today. I'm too lazy. Oh my gosh, it's 5 a.m. Oh my gosh, hurry! Please, I'm begging you. It's making me angry. We're only at 6.7. Oh! Please, sir, you're my only hope. Our group. Oh, cool. You did it. Yay. Oh my god, 51? Jesus. And we're already at 2022. That's like after COVID. Whoa! Do we even know what this DLL is for? No! Go faster, sir. Actually, I'm gonna have to reset my head now because I'm missing all these commits. That makes me sad. Okay. I think probably whoa, that's crazy. What is this? Oh my god, a rejection. No! I reject your rejection. Apply cleaner. Actually, it's probably almost time we just kind of, you know, do the thing, right? You know, the thing. Oh. Oh, so that was too far. What is this from? What is this from? It's from IMNX Transport. So, if I say SDK, it's probably from that. So if I go ahead and I search this inside include, we're gonna find a similar branch. And we'll find this, and then we're gonna grab this entire thing and just kinda, you know, hippity hoppity, your code is now my property. Bam! Bam! Well, wait a minute. Wait a minute. There's something wrong, right? Because, are you kidding me? Is that all it did? Is not a what the heckin' heckers? The what the oh no! Git check out Wine 8.0 and oh no! I don't see it. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I gotta stop. I'm so tired. I've been doing this for hours. VT and LP prop variant. I don't actually know why it's doing this. The only thing I can think is that for some reason it didn't apply very well. It's not the first time that's happened. It won't be the last. So this LP bot variant, I don't know what it wants from me, actually. I'm sorry, but I don't get it. Oh wait, actually yes I do, because this is all tag prop variant, which I don't even think is in here. It's not. Okay, wow. Okay, so prop idle. That's interesting. That changes things a little bit. Yes it does. Because this thing is used by a lot, if I recall correctly. So this is going to get regenerated. Or not. Nope, it's right there. It's right there. It's come on, it's right there. Come on, figure it out. Figure it out. Come on. Come on. Oh my god, I'm gonna reproduce it. I'm gonna bully you. I'm gonna do this thing. Bye-bye. I wonder then if we can import the entire like prop sys changes, because that would probably be important. Oh my god. It didn't. Just, okay. Jesus. Okay. What? What? Whoa. Yeah, that's not. It's not correct. It's right there, bud. Bud. Dude. It's right there. Please. Please. What you doing there, buddy? What you doing there? Whoa. I don't know what it wants from me. Ha ha ha, hee hee hee. That sucks. Right, let's come back to this one. This is such a... Get reset head 19, get status, get log, get add, get commit, and we'll say inetcom, sync inetcom to line 8. We'll have to fix this later, because that gets deep into headers that I don't want to deal with. Okay, anyway, let's take a look at this test. kind of thinking that this thing sucks. We need to find, is it iNet? Damn it. Okay, let's not right now. Let's see. Let's now do the funniest thing ever. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come. We will combine all of the PRs together to create the ultimate branch. And then we'll sync everything at once. Hopefully. Oh my god, that's not. Ladies and gentlemen, the ultimate branch. And then we'll do all kinds of fun things, right? Jesus Christ. Oh man, this is going to be a thing, isn't it? Alright, so. Right. Alright, what do you want? Yeah, props needs to be synced, damn it. Jesus Christ. What do you want? I don't even know if anyone did that yet. No. No, they didn't. No. No. The last time Propsys was mentioned was when it was synced in the first place. That's really funny. That is so funny, I'm sorry. Moving on. Right. Okay. Right. So here's the oh my god. Buddy, you have done the work. Wow. This guy goes funny. Okay. All right. Here we go. This will either be the funniest thing ever or just totally broken. Okay, so phase 1, grab the rest of these wine sinks, cherry pick. So everything to 4. Oh my god, that went clean. Clean, I tell you. Remote add May. Git fetch May. I summon every PR made in the last couple weeks to the field. Jesus. Oh no. Oh no. This is gonna be so good. Okay. Grab the entire modern DirectX stack. Okay. Grab. That's so brutal. Oh no, that's so mean. Okay, paying attention. Okay, the modern DirectX stack. All the basic DLL synced. We have MS Core. We need to import thread pooling, which is now is semi better. I don't know. Oh man, this branch is gonna be fucked up. What else? What else? What else? What else? Okay, we need. That's done. We need those. So grab common dialogue. Get cherry pick. Oh no, that's so evil. GCC is broken. Who needs GCC, right? Right? We'll have RPCRT. Is that broken on MSPC still? It is. We won't grab that. Okay, we'll grab riched, right? It's 230 40 commits. Why is it that many? Hey, what did you do? Get cherry pick. Then we'll grab a. Okay, we'll grab that. Now in sync with the wine staging 9.8. Oh, that's gonna go for a while. That's gonna go for a while. Yep. That's gonna go. Oh, it's still going. Okay, thank God. Well, we got that. We've got thread pooling. We've got what else? Com dialog, reg edit, wine sync, mega branch. There's some cool stuff in here. I think RPCSS. Crypt 32. Then we're gonna grab hello, Google does evil. Welcome. Anyway, that's the bulk of the wine syncs. This branch is gonna be gross. What else? I want the ability to use export patching, I think. I think that'll be a good meme. First, let's put a label on for NT6. And then we'll grab GDI Plus, WTS API, iNet Prawn. This is so stupid. Oh my God. Okay. This is gonna be good. Good. Get remote add cern. Everything. Every NT6 function you could ever want getting shoved in here at once to start. Oh yeah, get fetch cern. Get remote add. Get fetch PCE. Get oh. If this builds, we're doing really good. Okay, so nearly every major wine sync done is now shoved into this branch. DirectX, everything. So the next step is to get the modern activation stuff, and then from Timo, and then we'll grab UCRT and we'll shove it in here and pray this actually works. Either way, this is about to be the funniest thing ever. Also, it's even worse because We've obtained the ability to use export patching. The entire repo is just gone. It's rebuilding the entire thing because that's how many functions we've just imported. This is like, I kid you not. This is like, hold on. if you compare this to the main ReactOS repo, to the main ReactOS repo, this branch right now, it's so stupid. Hold on, let's compare it. Let's compare it. Hang on. Let's see. 125,000 editions. Jesus Christ. It's beautiful. There's more lines of code added in this branch than there is in like ReactOS's kernel in the last fucking decade, man. It's so funny. Oh my god. Oh no. What have I done? Yeah, that's hilarious. What in the heckin' heckers is this? What is even not, what is failing? Let me check. Isn't it this guy? Wine RB clear? I don't know. Well, I don't know. Hang on. Let's find it. It's one of these, man. I don't know. It's something they removed, and this version of Wine adds it back. It's stupid, I guess. I'm just gonna like that, right? Nope. Okay, we're gonna have to actually care about this. Damn it! Damn it! Dang it! Let's go to get.reactos.org and figure out what the heck I've done. That's so bad. I'm sorry, but the fact we've missed off on like 300,000 changes is crazy to me. Like, what are we doing? Jesus Christ. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, code. I didn't mean to make you angry. Okay. So, it's actually just this. So I can just put this back. And then one of these is probably doing it. Yeah, it is. It's... Moving on. I'm sorry. What happened to this wine tree thing? Like, what's your deal? Who synced this? I didn't want this synced. I mean, I get it. Probably was a good idea, but like, damn. What are you doing? I'm sorry. I think I can just grab this now. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Okay. That's fine. Whatever. So, is it test.h? Yeah, there's like 5 different branches in here, so this isn't gonna like me very much. What the heck? Just remove that. That's fine. Whatever. Who added that? Why is that there? Oh. Well, looky at that. That makes sense, actually. Wow. Cool. Nice. Anyway. RB head. Can't I do this backwards? Is it RB head? Is it RB head? I don't know. Wine RB head. Define RB head as wine RB head. I'm gonna do it backwards. Bets on it shits bricks. I don't think it will, actually. I really don't think it will. I think it'll be very interesting, at least. I'm just doing that because I'm lazy. I know why it's like that. It's because he synced rich 330, but yeah, anyway. He synced it to Y9, and that's fine, but that I have to work around that for a moment until I get everything else up to the latest version of the Weens. But hey, you know what? That's fine, because that is not that bad. Okay, we are almost to a live CD now. Ooh boy. we'll put a little thing here that says RP. Okay. We have an ISO. Let's fire it up. And then we'll try some stuff. We're missing a bunch of functions in NTDLL and kernel 32, but whatever. And shell 32. This won't be as good as the Longhorn branch for sure, but it's a start, and that's what matters, so we can start tracking stuff. Oh boy. Whoa, we have an OS. That's crazy. I am surprised that actually worked, honestly. I am dumbfounded that worked. Jesus. Okay, well, yeah, that's it. That's an OS. Yay. We can do direct draw sometimes. Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay, there we go. Yay, direct draw. Whoa, modern wine. Crazy how that works. Okay, that's a good start. This branch is now where I'm going to make the basis for my next changes. It's kind of sad that, like, the off-screen buffer doesn't always work. Whatever. Anyway, so that's a start. Nice. Let's look at what we've done. Four, 8, 4, 4, 4, 4. Activation proxy is still 3, but that will be 4. We should grab NDF API too. Windows codecs is 2. X inputs 2, 4, 4, 9, 6. Really not bad. That's like 8 years. Okay, now we have to sync all of these again at once to even higher, because now that we have our dependencies messed up. I'm really surprised that did anything. So the next equation here, that direct route works a lot better than I saw before. Not really. This is a very, very rough version of the wine import. It comes and goes, honestly. It needs a lot of stuff. It needs a lot of stuff. But it's a start. It's a start to... Does ReactOS currently support UEFI boot? It's work in progress, and most of it's there now, but you won't have a video driver on startup, so you can't really see anything past freeloader. What else can we do now? So now we have some questions we need to answer. Now that I have everything in one spot. So there was a point to this. Spoiler alert. There was a point. And the point to this was to answer a small problem I've been having. And the problem is in common control. And we're going to try and see if we can solve it a little bit. So let's take a look. Okay, so what's the problem? We don't have the ability to render common control anything with Windows as common control, and that's really annoying. So we're going to try to fix that a little bit. Start to. The first of those many wonderful questions is not usable. It has, yeah, it's not going to be usable for a while, but it's a start. There's a lot of stuff that needs to happen. Alright, let's fire up my little test branch here and see if we can start solving this problem. Now that we have all the wine imports that are dependencies of all the garbage inside of it in one spot. So, that's nice. I'll bet you're confused now, aren't you? Why does it say Windows Server 2003? I don't know. Because I put Win32 subsystem in there. We'll see if the timer thing still is a problem. Looks like it is. I don't want to wait for it. I want to answer all my questions and figure it out for sure. Oh no. You know, this actually asserted a lot before, so now that those wine functions helped a lot. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. That's cursed. That's really cursed. Oh no. Task manager, quickly. Save me. Save me, task manager. I should also have imported the damn functions. Okay, it's fine. Wow, look at that. There's a... Oh, okay. I screwed up. I want to start removing components of this. And what we're gonna do is we have common dialogue here from updated wine. You notice it actually renders properly now. Well, you probably did because I never showed this before. But anyway, it renders way better now after the wine changes. What we need to figure out is why icons disappear with our Win32 subsystem and Windows Common Control. Because long term, I was trying to fix the usages of Windows Explorer from Vista. I have XPs here, but it kind of sucked a lot, actually. It sucked a lot. It's a terrible, terrible bug, and so we're going to fix that now. Hopefully. We'll see. I believe that the image list hack is dumb. The magical image list hack. That is dumb. Very dumb. Let's see if we can understand it. Task Manager, how are you doing today? Saturated images. Okay. Hi, Explorer. How's it going? Oh, okay. How are you doing? Look at my... I forgot about this. Here's ReactOS shell with Windows Explorer. It looks like garbage, I know. Yeah, it's really bad. Technically, there's a start menu somewhere. I haven't figured out where yet. Yeah, it's kind of sad. But hey, look. Graphics. Hooray! Right? Hooray! Bam! Right? Then we go over here, or wait, not there. We go here, we go to here, and we go bam! 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 Wow! Wow! And then we can go to serve man, and we can turn on themey weemies. We can find desk oh, I can't spell desk.cpl. Then we go to themes, then we go to lunar, right? And it breaks instantly for some reason, and we don't know why. Amazing. Wow, just brilliant. I can find a desktop icon too. I don't have any though. Also, look, this is also another dialogue that supposedly got better with our wonderful changes. Whoa, it's OBS Studio. You can't run that. Okay, anyway, let's figure this out. So, there is a hack in here. The big bad image list hack. And this thing, it's kind of weird, right? For one thing, we know it doesn't break icons from common control, but icons break with our thing. So let's try and solve that here. We'll go to GDI, and we'll go to GDI 32, and we'll go here, and then we'll go add the file back in. We'll go to modules, go to system 32. We'll say win GDI 32. And we'll go right here, right there, 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 and there, and there. Maybe we'll figure something out. I always found it funny how this thing just refuses at some point to work. That's funny. Oh no, wow, look at that. Look at that. That's an animation. Okay. I'm getting kind of tired for the day. I did a lot of PR cleanup. That's pretty cool. Well, that's pretty epical. Why? Hold on, why? CSR connect to user failed. I don't think it's built like that. Yeah, no, it's correct. Oh. No, it's fine. Don't know why it's breakpointing though. that was normal? Okay. You know what's not normal, though? The inability to press that damn button. Like, where's my... What? Failed connection to the console server. What? What? Huh? 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 Oh no, that's not good. What will we do? I don't know. I don't know. It's kind of sad. Ow! Oh, it's almost bedtime. It's so sad. Well, let me tell you a secret here. A long time ago, ow. Oh, there we go. Just had to figure itself out for a moment. I can still remember the way it used to make me smile. Failed with 0 status x x x x x x x x x x. Why? Oh no. Oh right. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh no, that's weird. What? What? Oh no. Oh no. What will we do? That's not good. I just need to figure out the answer to this one question, sir. Please. That's not asking too much of him, is it? Okay, you can hurry now. Oh, thank you. I/O control. I/O control. I/O control. Jesus. All right, what even are these? I don't think I've ever checked. Oh, that's right. Yeah, that's a thing. Okay. Yeah, there we go. You know what'd be smarter is just shove an R Explorer back in now. actually. That would have been smarter. Yeah. Let's say do that. We'll go here. We'll go here. There. Also, fun fact, this is still a branch with all the one sync code, right? I didn't change it. So it still works if you compile it as XP to work with the Win32 subsystem replacement trick. So that's pretty awesome, right? What are you doing? What was that? What was that for? What was that for? Why did you do that? Okay. Thanks, Explorer. Nice. I'm already getting a headache. It's time for a sleep. Waiting for those PRs to get merged eventually. Well, you know what? It's fine. It's fine. And I knew if I had a chance, I could make those people dance. Well, I have thought about it, I won't lie. But I'm gonna make sure all the tests passed first. It's like 250,000 changes. It's not like we can just, whoops, it's in there now, right? What the heckin' heckers? Oh. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. No! Yeah, I don't know what it's trying to do, actually. I'm kind of confused now. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Let's rename Explorer. Yeah, that's fine. Explore.exe. Overwrite. Yeah. Okay. if we can fix this, then we can have icons with Vista Explorer, which would make my life easier because I want to be able to see the icons. CLI only? Yeah, you're right. What have I done? Can't believe I want Vista Explorer to have appearances. Oh no. Render, oh yay! Okay, that's, wow. Okay. That's not gonna work. I don't know why. Common dialogue, user 32, shell 32, okay. Well, shit. I'll have to deal with this later then. I'm kind of out of time. So, I'm going to end it here and do my next step for the day. So, we'll be back on tomorrow. Have a good night, peeps. See ya.